So that's what I do, how I prepare fabric without using too much space. I'm gonna show you how. In my shorts collection and also included in the last part of this curtain tutorial, I showed how I cut this heavy curtain without a long table. That was part 1 of this sunshine curtains. This part 2 is all about the nitty-gritty, washing this cotton canvas, assembly, checking the measurements. Eventually, I sewed one piece to double check on the flow, length, and of course, its overall minimalist design to manage expectations. I even included the tools and materials I used to keep my hands pretty, despite the hard work, which is important for us ladies. Overall, this is a full tutorial on how I was able to measure, fold, and assemble this heavy cotton canvas with ease. I did not use a large table nor a wide space, and yet everything came out efficiently well. This is such a nice heavy curtain hack for beginner sewists. Watch here, and it says 60. We're gonna go back from the notch. So overall, give and take, this is all 90. To be honest, I would have used a different color of thread, maybe green or yellow, but it was Bubbly Hubby approved. Anyway, his opinions is what matters because I made this for him this rainy season, so everyone's happy. These sunshine curtains will remind him of sunshine and island hopping over upcoming rains and typhoons. Hope you like it too. Tapos, yan, sure ka na, yan yung maikling side. Balik ka rin mo. Tapos, pinati ko siya sa gitna. Tapos, ang gagawin. Ibahati siya sa gitna. So, pantay yan. So, ang gagawin mo, itapat mo siya. Ganyan. So, alam mo, 6 inches. And, mark nyo, 6 inches. Ayan, diba? Tapos, ang gawin nyo, baliktarin nyo lang siya. So, binaliktad lang. Diba? Basta ang siguraduhin mo lang pantay, kahit pulo-pulupot, diba yung baba? Kasi nga sobrang haba niya. Ang pantay lang, kasi nga tinitingnan natin, gagawin natin yung fold. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking space. Bakit nakakagawa ka ng curtain? Ang bigat-bigat niyan. Kasi, so dinidiskartehan ko siya. Diba? So, kunin mo lang. Huwag mo muna siyang ayusin. Hanapin mo lang yung mga nilagyan. Tapos yan. Diba? Huwag mo siyang ayusin. Yan. Tapos, yan. So, hinila mo lang. Diba, hinila mo siya. Na-fold siya ng kanya. Like, fold na siya. Done. Okay. So that's the hashtag curtain hack. So as for washing the fabric, Do you wash before handling the fabric or after cutting the fabric? So you're supposed to wash before handling the fabric, but I was just into it too much, I guess. So Bubbly Hubby approved it. So floral length, the design. So it's minimalist. So I'm gonna show you that I sewed the top and the bottom parts. Okay, just to take care of the frills. Remember those marks and folds? So as for the marks, we folded it and now we're sewing it together. So we are at the back of the design. So you're going to fold the sewn part, the top part of the fold, and you were going to tuck it in inside the fold behind the curtain, and then you'll sew it together. I'm so happy I came up with this design because it's very minimalist. So if you're using the right thread, you hardly see any hems or any kind of stitches in here, and it'll look better. But so far I'm saying goodbye with my old curtains last season because we have our sunshine curtains.